Are you doing the hot water or am I?
Can you see, Mom? Can you see?
Right now?
Yeah.
Everybody move off the way. Hot
Move.
water. Move. Move, move, move.
What do you mean hot water?
How much are you putting in there? Move, Nevaeh.
It's spilled all over my feet. Why did it spill all over my feet?
Hurry
Move
up.
out the way.
Hurry up.
Not all of it.
The lights are good too.
Get out of there. There. Then how? What did you do next? Move, you guys.
The lights are good too.
Water
We don't have power.
But what if it overflows? You're cleaning up the mess.
Never mind. Let's flush it now.
Do we wait?
Don't know.
Yeah, I know, Mom. Let me see the hot water.
It's gonna burn you.
Okay.
See clear?
Go put the water away.
Okay, move out the way. Hurry.
The hot water? Ooh! Watch it, Mom. Flush it.
Move.
What's that right there?
Okay,
Here we go.
there's that,
Move, move,
that
move.
valve thing right there.
I don't think we need to do that.
So just in
Flush it,
case.
Suna.
Okay.
Flush it.
No, don't turn it off. It said if it overflows, then turn it off.
Stupid agency on you too. Oh my god.
That won't work. That won't work.
Oh my god. Don't pee now.
You can breathe? You can breathe, Suna?
I think we need to turn off the thing.
Is it gonna overflow?
Plunger it.
Well, try plungering it then. No, don't turn it off.
Why?
Just plunger it. Just be careful.
Yeah, Suna.
Get out, you guys. You gotta do it harder than that. Is it? It's overflowing. Oh wait, there goes the top.
It's going to flow
How about we
on
switch spots now?
No. This is your mess.
Oh my god, it's got go everywhere, Priscilla.
I was expecting more bubbles.
Me too.
This is so like...
Yeah, like a bubble bath. How do you make a bubble bath, Mommy?
In the toilet?
No, in the bathtub. It's gonna float everywhere.
Why would you wear you stupid sink plunger?
That's not a sink plunger.
It's a toilet, Mom.
You saw just a cheap plunger.
Shut up.
Jessica, this would look this right there, like that.
Why are you still floating up?
What is?
Hurry!
Okay, I think it's time to empty again.
Oh gosh.
Put that on the floor. Empty time. Get out, Nevaeh. You don't need to be in here.
Yeah, my cereal's over there getting soggy. Hey, at least cut it clean.
Having fun there?
No.
Get out. Mark your big head. And then we just leave it for a while?
I don't know.
Then just leave it? We'll come back again and see how it looks.
Why? Why we go come back again? Why not? Are you?
What happened?
Water started flying up. More bubbles.
I think you need to do it harder.
Hold on, I'm making bubbles.
No, don't make bubbles.
Hey, I think it's going down.
Is it?
Yeah. Look. Where's the water?
Keep doing it. Remember she said 12 times?
5, 6, 7, 8, almost 8. You think that's flushing now?
No.
Why? Because all the water is like down. It's just bubbles.
Okay, keep plunging it. Maybe it's helping.
Dude,
No,
there's nothing else to
something stinks.
flush.
Who farted? Who? You sick little
Dude,
dog.
there's nothing else to plunger.
Okay, flush it. I'm scared.
It works. Let's flush it again.
Wait, let it all come up first. You can't flush it until it settles down. So you mean we unclogged and cleaned the toilet at the same time?
Yeah.
Yay,
Touching, bro.
Yay, Priscilla! Yay, Priscilla!
So Isaiah, who dyed the toilet?
I did.
How did you kill it?
No. I just washed it. I just washed it, and then it worked.
Oh, and who used the restroom before you? Okay, flush it again, Isaiah.
Oh my god.
Wash it?
Yeah,
Why?
because.
Oh my god, you broke it.
No, we didn't.
Beautiful.
Yay, now I can use the restroom.
Now you can go take your dump.
Yay!
Big.